What is sous vide cooking?
Sous vide is a method of cooking where food is sealed in a bag, then gently cooked in a water bath at a precisely controlled temperature. This technique ensures that food cooks evenly, retains its moisture, and develops rich flavors, often delivering a texture and consistency that's difficult to achieve with traditional cooking methods.
The role of automated sous vide machines.
Automated sous vide machines bring precision and convenience to the process. These devices heat water to the exact temperature needed, then maintain that temperature throughout cooking. Advanced models often include features like digital displays, timers, and even Wi-Fi connectivity, making it easy to control and monitor your food remotely for optimal results.
How temperature control works.
Sous vide machines use internal sensors to monitor the water temperature. When the heat drops below the set point, the device activates its heating element to warm the water. When the temperature is reached, it cycles the element on and off, maintaining a stable environment. This precision control prevents overcooking and ensures food consistency.
Using Wi-Fi and smart features.
Many modern sous vide machines are Wi-Fi enabled, allowing users to set temperatures and cooking times through smartphone apps. Some devices provide recipe guidance or send alerts when cooking is finished. These features offer flexibility, letting you adjust settings remotely and ensuring your meal is perfectly cooked, even if you're away from the kitchen.
Delivering restaurant-quality results at home.
With automated sous vide machines, anyone can achieve professional results. The combination of precise temperature control and remote monitoring means steak, fish, vegetables, and more are cooked to perfection, tender, flavorful, and consistent every time. This technology makes gourmet cooking approachable, bringing restaurant-quality meals into any home kitchen.